The young chamois have also grown up. A juvenile now weighs almost 5 times as much as an eagle. Animals of this size are no longer easy prey for the birds. They barely flinch under attack. But it's dangerous for a chamois to stray close to a cliff edge. The eagles seize their chance. Got it. The eagle drags the chamois towards the edge. It's an extremely risky move. If the eagle breaks a wing, it would be fatal. A kill this size will feed a pair for days. This is when they must build up the fat reserves that they will need to sustain themselves through the lean months that lie ahead.